Hey, what's going on, everyone? This is Chef Paul, and we are in the kitchen again today. And yeah, it's about 12:30 my time, so I am freaking hungry, really hungry. So what I've got here, I've got some ground beef, hamburger bun, onion, tomato, lettuce, and cheese, little Worcestershire, Sizzlin spices, and pepper. Can you guess what we're doing? If you said hamburger, you're damn right, that's what we're doing. So we are gonna go ahead and take our fresh beef and put it in the bowl, put it in here, just like that. And now we're gonna take some of our Sizzlin Arrow steak and game seasoning here. No need for salt. Just put it right in there, nice generous portion of that. Hit it with just a little bit of pepper, little Worcestershire, how do you say it, Washington? Anyway. I'm gonna put the Worcestershire in there. That's the way I say it, so y'all can correct me if you want. And we're gonna go ahead and take this and just mix it up, just like that. Very, very simple. This is just gonna be simple, delicious lunch. That's all it is, it's lunch. So what we're doing to cook this thing, we're gonna do it here on my gas stovetop, and we are using the Carolina Cooker 10-inch aluminum pan. I love this pan. This thing is awesome. We're going to go ahead and get that thing fired up and get heated up, and we're going to put a little oil in it, and yeah, and we're going to start cooking these bad boys up. So one key to these is, since we're doing them in the pan, is you want to get them nice and flat and skinny. Nice, flat, and skinny. Well, skinny, kind of like me. I don't know if you can call me flat, but we'll go with that. Flat and skinny like me. I like that, see? Yeah. That's flat burger. All right, guys, so that is it, man. That's super simple. So all I'm gonna do now is, we got the cheese on there, as you see right there. We're just gonna take our onion, we got 2 onions. I'm gonna take a couple tomatoes. We're gonna throw on the lettuce. Then I'm gonna put on some mayo, ketchup, and mustard. You can stack it up however you want it. Everyone's a little bit different, but that is our quick hamburger lunch right there. That's what I'm talking about. This thing's gonna be delicious, man. You know what? Let's go ahead and take a try without all the stuff on there. See what it tastes like. All right. Woo. No, that's good. That's without any mayo, mustard, ketchup. Freaking awesome, man. Gotta give this a try. And if you don't have any of that, you need to check it out. Sizzlinarrow.com, pick up your spices. Make sure you follow us on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, all the socials, man. We're on it, we're there. All the following and support really helps out the channel. We appreciate y'all, and hope you guys enjoy it, man. It's very simple, quick. Do it in about 15 minutes, and you're good to go. And better than anything in the fast food joints. So we'll talk to you guys soon, man. Appreciate you watching. And again, check us out on the socials. Follow us, subscribe, all that good stuff. We appreciate you. Take care. God.